Good morning, students. This is your EVS class, and today we are going to start chapter number 7, Eating Together. Students, in this chapter, we will learn about food eaten in different regions, festival dishes, and about community eating. Okay? Students, first we will try to understand what is eating together. Okay. Students, Indian food is famous all over the world. This we all know, right? People of India eat a wide variety of food. They cook special dishes on different occasions. Students, on different occasions like marriage, birthday parties, etc., when we collect together, all family members sit together and eat together. That is called eating together. जब हम सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स एक साथ इकट्ठे होते हैं डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स पे और जब साथ बैठ के एक साथ हम खाना खाते हैं तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ईटिंग टुगेदर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फूड ईटन इन डिफरेंट रीजन्स. Food habits of the people of a region depends on the crops grown and the climate conditions of that regions. That means food habits अलग अलग रीजन में अलग अलग होती हैं और दिस इज डिपेंड्स ऑन क्रॉप्स ग्रोन एंड द क्लाइमेट कंडीशन ऑफ द रीजन. मतलब हर रीजन की क्लाइमेट कंडीशंस और जो वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स ग्रोन की जाती हैं उन दोनों पे ही लोगों की फूड हैबिट्स डिपेंड करती हैं. राइट, द टेस्ट एंड फ्लेवर ऑफ द फूड वेरीज फ्रॉम रीजन टू रीजन. अलग अलग रीजन के लोगों के जो टेस्ट और फ्लेवर होते हैं फूड के वो अलग अलग होते हैं, डिफरेंट होते हैं. ओके, तो वी विल स्टडी different food in different regions, right? Students, North Indian food. In Kashmir, almost all dishes are prepared with rice. For example, rajma rice. Students, in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, chapati is a staple food, right? Foods such as dal makhani, sarson ka saag, kadai paneer are favorite food of the people of this region. Students, West Indian food. Achars or pickles are used as substitute for the relative lack of fresh vegetables in desert area. People in Rajasthan add a lot of spices to their food, right? Pav bhaji, vindaloo, etc. are other famous West Indian dishes. Students, now East Indian food. The staple food of Bengalis and of people living in the coastal areas is the combination of rice and fish curry. Sweets prepared using milk like rasgulla, sandesh, cham-cham and many more are very popular in Bengal. People from the northeast generally eat rice, fish, meat and pork. Okay. Next is South Indian food. In South India, fish and coconuts are commonly used in most of the dishes. In Kerala, some of the delicious dishes are uttapam, fried prawns, idlis, dosas, fish and rice, puttu. Right? Students, our next topic is festival dishes. We all Indians and in our country there are lots of festivals which we celebrate throughout the year. Okay, special food dishes are cooked on these festivals. Various religious practices also influence the type of food prepared on a particular festival. So let us learn about some of the special food cooked during these festivals. Right? So first is Makkar Sankranti. During this festival, the most commonly eaten food is sweets made with sesame seeds and jaggery. Students, do you like the laddu of til? Til ke laddu. We all like this very much. So, til ka laddu is very famous dish which is eaten on the time of Makkar Sankranti, right? And which is made by sesame seeds and jaggery. What is jaggery? Do you know, students? Jaggery is a dark crude sugar made from dates. That is gud. Okay? And rice is cooked with milk, jaggery and sugar drops on the occasion of Makkar Sankranti. Next is Shivratri. The beverage popular on this festival is Thandai. Thandai, a drink made with milk, almonds and hemp seeds. Students, Thandai is very tasty and delicious for us, and this is very healthy for all of us, especially in summer seasons. Next is Holi. Delicious eaten during the festival include Malpua, Puran Poli and Gunjia. Students, what is Malpua? Malpua is a fresh bread soaked in sugar syrup. And Puran Poli is unleavened wheat bread stuffed with jaggery and baked on a griddle. So Malpua, Puran Poli and Gunjia. These are the main dishes which is eaten on the occasion of Holi. They are first offered to the deity and then served to everyone throughout the day. Right? Students, next is Durga Puja. Moong dal khichdi, chachari and payesh. Students, what is moong dal khichdi? We all know moong dal khichdi is a mixture of moong dal and rice. And chachari is mixture of various vegetables. And payesh is kheer. So moong dal khichdi, chachari, payesh and a tomato chutney prepared by Bengalis are the highlights of this festival. Right? Next is Diwali. Sweets are made on a large scale on Diwali, and we all people greet each other and exchange sweets and gifts. Students, next is Eid. Eid-ul Fitr is also called the Sevaiya Eid. The reason behind this that on this day delicious Sevaiya is cooked flavored with saffron and dry fruits. On Eid-ul Zuha, Bakra Eid, meat-based dishes are made and served. The most popular being biryani. Right? So students, this is all about the dishes which we eat on these festivals. Okay? Students, our next topic is community eating, right? What is community eating? When a large number of people share and eat food together outside of their family, so it is called community eating. That means जब हम बहुत सारे लोग अपनी फैमिली के बाहर, मतलब अपनी फैमिली के अलावा और भी बहुत सारे लोग जब हम एक साथ बैठते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, शेयरिंग करते हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कम्युनिटी ईटिंग, राइट? Common meals and parties are organized during special occasions like wedding and birthdays. This is we all know. Okay. So it is time when we enjoy sharing meals with the entire family and friends. Right? Food enhances the festive mood on the occasion. Sharing meals also promote friendship and mutual affection, right? Langar. Students, langar is a best example of community eating. Okay? Guru ka langar serves the community in many ways. It ensures the participation of Sikh in a task of service to mankind. Okay? लंगर में सिख लोग अपनी सर्विसेज देते हैं और वो सोसाइटी के लिए होता है, राइट? लंगर ऑल्सो टीचेस द एटिकेट ऑफ ईटिंग विद द कम्युनिटी. लंगर में ये सिखाया जाता है कि कम्युनिटी में कैसे हम एक साथ बैठ के अपना खाना खा सकते हैं, विच प्लेज अ ग्रेट पार्ट इन अपलोडिंग द वर्च्यूज ऑफ इक्वालिटी ऑफ ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स. दैट मीन्स लंगर में हम सब एक हैं, कोई छोटा कोई बड़ा नहीं है, सब साथ में बैठ के खाना खाते हैं और ये चीज़ लंगर में सिखाई जाती है. डू यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, द लंगर और फ्री किचन वॉज started by the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Right? So langar is the best example of community eating. Students, next example of community eating is midday meals provided by the government. Many schools provide midday meals to their students. Why? Because many children in our country are unable to get nutritious food. So, in order to help them, the government has made midday meals, right? Compulsory in primary and upper primary schools, midday meal, right? Children get to eat a variety of food due to this program. Okay. Next example is mess in boarding schools. In a mess, all students are provided the same kind of food at fixed time and fixed food items. The quality of food is ensured by the school authorities. Okay, it has to be nutritious and hygienic. A mess serves different kinds of food to students, so the students get to know about the variety of food from various states of the country. The children learn to eat all the food items that are served. So students, these are the examples of community eating: langar, midday meal and mess in boarding schools. Students, I hope you understood all the topics which we have covered in this chapter. Now, this is the time to read key terms of the chapter. First is community eating. What do you understand by community eating? When a large number of people share and eat food together outside of their family, that is called community eating. Next is meal, an eating occasion that occurs at a particular time and includes specific prepared food, that is meal, right? Now, these are some important lines which we have to learn and read very carefully. First is Indian food is known all over the world. Food of different regions varies according to the crops and climate conditions of the region. Indian people eat specially prepared dishes on festive occasions. Common meals are organized during special occasions such as weddings. The midday meal scheme has been made compulsory by the government in the primary schools, right? So students, this is the time of end of this class. I hope you understood all the topics very clearly which we have covered in this chapter, right? So be safe, be healthy at your homes. Thank you and bye bye.